Hey, thanks for watching, guys. I'm so excited. I got my Mavic Mini 2. And this video is all about the unboxing and seeing if some of the accessories from the Mini work with the Mini 2. Alright, let's get into the video. Thanks again for watching. Guys, check this out. Look at the weight on this thing. 238 grams, 11 grams less than the Mini 1. Really good for late night reading. When you get really tired, you read this thing because it'll put you to sleep in about 2 minutes. But this doubles up as a power bank, so it can actually charge a lot of things for you. See that? The Mini 1 batteries fit in there. The USB ports are different. This is one of the accessories that I'm going to recommend, guys, is that hood, that sun hood, because it prevents your camera from getting hit. Guys, check this out. Look at the weight on this thing. 238 grams, 11 grams less than the Mini 1. I'm sure they shaved off a lot of the weight on the legs, front and back, and the miniaturization of all the chipsets. So if you don't see the links, hit that show more button and the links will appear. Hey guys, I am super happy. Look what I got. I got my Mini 2 5 more combo set right here. So let's get into the unboxing and see what you guys think. Let's open this up. Got a zipper here. What's in here? 3 sets of props, screwdriver. The controller. This is the Air 2 controller. It's got the cinema, normal, and sports mode. And right here, you stow away your controller sticks, which is very nice. The beautiful thing about this controller right here, guys, is that you can fly maybe around 8 times before you have to recharge it. 8 batteries or so on the drone before you have to recharge. So very, very good battery in it. The other beautiful thing about it is this. Your phone sits up front here like so. And it stows away your cable right in here like so. Very nice. So you got a roller here for pitching the camera up and down. You have record, stop record here, and this function button here changes from video to camera. This one is special function button. When you hold it and roll the roller, you zoom in. This is return to home, and this is the power button. And this is your cinema, normal, or sports mode. Looks like we have some documentation. Box here says accessories. Really good for late night reading. When you get really tired, you read this thing because it'll put you to sleep in about 2 minutes. Let's just dump everything. And the cables got stuck. There we go. There we go. Okay. So you got an 18-watt power brick here. Here's what we have so far, guys, right here. Okay, and let's open up what we have now, which is the power hub. It looks just like the previous ones. So and you plug it into the wall, and it charges your batteries sequentially. The battery that has the most charge will be charged first, and the battery that has the least charge will be charged last. This doubles up as a power bank, so it can actually charge a lot of things for you. You can charge your phone, you can charge your controller, so you can use it as a power brick to charge other things. This is the Mini 1. Yes, the Mini 1 batteries fit in here. You see that? See that? The Mini 1 batteries fit in there. The Mini 2 batteries do not fit into the Mini 1 charging hub. Very interesting. Okay. So that means you're going to be able to use the Mini 1 batteries and the Mavic Mini 2. Interesting. Okay, cool. Let me put this battery back into my Mini hub. There we go. So that's what we have so far right here, guys. Okay. And now for the main attraction. There it is. This is the Mini 2. The Mini 2 with a 4K camera that runs 24, 25, and 30 frames a second. The Fly More combo comes with this strap that holds down the, it looks like this one came loose somehow. It holds down the propellers. That's a huge advantage. That was one of the things that the Mini, the first Mini had problems with. Let's go ahead, a little snap buckle in there. And it fits right into the camera protector release. Let me pull that off. There it is. Props are different color. We have a USB-C instead of a micro USB. Anything else different? We have a button in the back. It's different. Colors are different. And of course, the camera is different. This is the 4K camera. So that's the big difference. Okay, so to open it up, as usual, you pull out the front arms out, and then you pull up, down and out your rear arms. Also, the other thing that I see difference is it's got an LED up here up front. Okay, so let me go ahead and just kind of put everything down here, like so. So you guys can get a look. Of what's included in this kit. Okay. So you get the spare props, 3 of them. You get the USB-C to USB-A cable. You get the Lightning, micro USB, and USB-C for your controller cables. And you get your charging hub, is what it is called, that is used for many things. One, you can charge other devices with it, but most of all, you charge your batteries with this. You get your spare sticks, and you get a little screwdriver so you can take off the props. So that's it, guys. One of the things that I'm always curious to see, I know I have all these accessories for, you know, the original Mini right here, and they're exactly the same thing except for the cameras, LEDs, and the extra button in the back. Yeah, this is not a button, this is an LED, this is a button, an LED. So the USB ports are different. The USB ports are different. What I'm interested to see if my Mini 1 accessories fit in with work with my Mini 2. So this is the hood that I use to protect my gimbal and camera in case it hits something. Which you guys watch my channel, I'm prone to hit stuff. I fly a lot, so and take a lot of risk. So sometimes I hit them. It works perfectly well. So this is one of the accessories that I'm going to recommend, guys, is that hood, that sun hood, because it prevents your camera from getting hit from the side, from the front, and from the bottom. Alright, so that works well. Let me put that aside. Now, can you use the legs for the Mini? Let's see. Let's see if we can. Oh, I don't think so. I don't think so. Nope. They're not going to work. The front legs are not going to work. They're different. The front legs are different, guys. I'll show you the difference. That the Mini 1 has a little bump out section right there. Right there's got a bump out section. And the Mini 2 does not. So that little bump out section is used for the leg mount. This little leg. So unfortunately, the leg extensions are not going to work for the Mini 2, but they work perfectly well on the Mini, original Mini 1. Let's call it Mini 1. Okay, so that is it for the unboxing, guys. I just wanted to show you that. Let me put everything back out of the way from the Mini so I don't confuse things. So that is what you get right here. Okay? Really nice product, guys. Alright, I want to thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate it. So, again, just to kind of summarize it, I believe that this little Mini is going to be one of the best sellers of the year. It's probably going to be, I'll venture to say, it's probably going to be the best drone of 2020 because of the sales. The Air 2 is crushing it also. I mean, it is super nice drone. But it is $700. This is currently $459, so it's a great value. And if you do the combo package, you buy it for $600, which I highly recommend that you do. You get a better value. You get about $100 worth of value out of it that you're going to buy extra batteries anyway. You're going to buy this charging hub. So you might as well pay it up front, because if you buy it later, you're going to pay an extra $100 for all this stuff. So check out my playlist for the original Mavic Mini, and also check out the playlist that I'm going to put together for the Mini 2. Tomorrow I'm going to get up early. I'm going to go out and fly. So I'll put a link in that video right above here. So there'll be the maiden flight for the Mini 2. Just can't wait to do it. It's going to be a sunrise Mini 2 flight. So that is it, guys. So my thoughts in final conclusion, this product is going to sell like hotcakes. So check out my playlist. I'm going to be doing a lot of reviews on this guy, comparing the Mini 2, Mini 1, Air 2, and the Mavic 2 Pro. I'm going to put it in the description below and link to all the products that I've discussed in this video. So check it out. So if you don't see the links, hit that show more button and the links will appear. So there we are, guys, the Mini 2. Here we are, guys, the Mini 2. Unbelievable. It's going to be one of the best sellers here this Christmas. They're going to knock it out of the park, guys. My opinion, it's probably going to be the drone of 2020. I thought the Air 2 was going to be the drone of 2020, but the price point for this guy, with a 4K camera shooting at 24, 25, and 30 frames a second. In 2K, it does the same thing, 24, 25, 30 frames a second. In 1080p and 1K, it shoots 60, 50, 25, 24, and 30 frames a second. So just unbelievable. Oh, and I forgot to mention, it's got a digital zoom. I mean, we could do that in post, but it's always nice to be able to look at things while you're flying, right? So this drone right here, drone of the year. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.